tired. Not the kind sleep fixes, the kind life causes.
It's money, Papa John. Rent, food, petrol, everything's rising. We're always catching up, never arriving. It seems as though the harder we try, the more we need to try. It's like we can't catch up. Truthfully, I am tired.
You are not the only one tired. I am tired too, and when we talk about it, we argue. So I just try to fix things myself, whatever way I can.
Home doesn't feel peaceful anymore.
Hard times aren't meant to destroy homes. Life has its peaks and valleys, but it's not the valley that destroys the home. It's the silence from both ends. Let's walk through this together. Money pressure has a way of turning partners into opponents, friends into foes, and couples into strangers. But hardship in a home isn't failure. It's an invitation to unity, a chance for the bond to be stronger and the love deeper.
Doesn't feel like that with us. Rather, we have become as strangers to one another. I also feels like I've let everyone down.
You know, my wife and children, not been able to provide enough.
Don't allow the devil in your mind. You're still standing, still walking, and still trying to make things work. Scripture says that the two are better than one. When one falls, it is the duty of the other to lift and not trample upon.
Yeah, I'm in the park. I'll join you shortly. Sorry, sir. As much as I love listening to you, I need to clear my head. It was nice speaking with you, but I have to go.
It's okay, Papa John. We never seem to be able to finish a conversation. Anyways, I'm seeing a friend too.
All right then, but let us meet again next week. And promise me, no shouting, no fighting. Also, don't do outside what you can't confess at home. Accountability protects love.
That was quick, man. I mentioned I was at the park, did I not? Well, true.
Okay. Mate, check this app. It's mad. I put £500 on my credit card yesterday, and it's already up by 250.
If you join through my link, you'll get bonus cash. Could change everything. You get what I mean? I need money, Kennedy, badly, but gambling? I'm not sure, man. I don't have enough to take care of my family, and blowing it up on something I'm not sure? I don't know, man. What's wrong with you today, man? You would have jumped at it before, but you are hesitating? What did your wife do to you?
Don't do outside what you can't confess at home. Accountability protects love.
My wife did nothing to me. I simply don't want to hide what I can't confess at home. I want peace at home, man. You should try it too. So, nah, I can't. Look, I've got a great bet on the game. No thanks, not my thing. Come on, it's easy. I gotta go.
Lisa, you came right on time. Listen, I've got us luxury wedding packages for just £300. My dear, I want us to arrive at Dennis's wedding like royalty. The texture is incredible, so smooth. It feels luxurious. Look at this sheen. Perfect. It's beautiful, but Dennis and Kay said simple. Besides, we're all colleagues, not competitors. What do you mean by that? Life is about appearances, darling. The packaging, branding, not looking simple.
Money pressure has a way of turning partners into opponents, friends into foes, and couples into strangers.
Peace costs less than pride. I'm sorry, Maggie. I think I'll come as I am. No need to run into debt for display. I should go now.
You know, this reminds me of the fruit of the Spirit.
Patience, kindness, self-control.
Feels like we ran out of those in our home.
No, you see, that's why it's called fruit. And fruits, they grow.
And you see this thing called growth, it takes time and needs intention. Come with me to my study.
I want us to build a plan without fear. One that you both will understand. No blame, no judgment, just truth.
So, where do we start?
I love your eagerness towards this. We will rebuild with truth. Truth. We lay the problem out of plain, then we face and fix it. This time we do it together.
We did it as you instructed, Papa. We laid it all down and planned, and we've stuck to the budget. Even saved something small, all without argument.
Yes, Papa, no more betting, hiding from my wife. We realized that it was more than money issues. It was the devil attacking our home. Anyways, freedom feels better than quick money. Feels like we are working as a team now.
We now talk, Papa, like real couples. We no longer argue or fight. It feels like we are a team rather than competitors.
That's real wealth, not the amount in your account, but the peace in your home, the peace you found. Keep tending your fruit, and your house will never lack peace.